Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm the Chess Nerd, and today I just received the most expensive chess book I have ever bought in my entire life. The price, 175 US dollars. And yes, I'm not a rich person by any means, and this was the biggest purchase of my life for anything chess related. Wow, wow, wow. This is the package right here. So story time, before we get into this unboxing, I actually walked 3 hours and 20 minutes just to get this book. So it was basically held at customs, and I was charged a huge fee by the shipping company, UPS. And I basically had to walk to our border services in town, which was an hour. And then I had to clear the book from customs, and then I had to walk to UPS because I don't have a car, right? So I walked there to clear the package, and I walked back here. 3 hours and 20 minutes. It was the longest walking experience of my life. So yes, this book had a lot of time and effort, not only money, into it. So I'm very, very excited to open this up. It's quite wide, as you can see, like kind of, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it with this kind of dual camera system right here. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So I think I'm gonna go like this. Like this, come on now. I have been called the worst package opener in the world, so just for your information, in my previous unboxing videos. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, actually. I haven't done one in probably, I would say, a year. A good healthy year, you know? So it's good to be back in the game. And right here we have already opened our package. Whoa! It's a huge, huge noise. Hey, oh wow, okay. So we're getting somewhere, By the way, if I'm looking that way, I'm looking at that camera to see if it's capturing the good stuff. Okay, so we're going here. We have opened one layer done. Now you can see the side layer there. Ooh, okay, let's see what we got here. By the way, I'm opening with this type of knife. It's not really a cutter. I don't have a cutter in my house, but look, it has like these little like things, which is kind of good for opening packages, I guess. So there you have it. So here, with just brute force. And finally, we get to our book. Oh my God. Wow. Are you catching this? Holy moly. This package is 6 pounds. Look at the cover of this book. Kudos to you if you know this book. It's a very, very famous chess book. Wow, and look at the binding. A History of Chess by H.J.R. Murray, the most important historical chess book ever in history. These detail from 600 AD, where chess started in India, and it details the entire history of chess. Its expansion to the Muslims, who expanded it to Europe, through Spain, just like the history of chess. My passion in chess history. And so I bought this book to detail its marvelous findings on my new Instagram page, Chess Facts, The Chess Fact. And so, yeah, this is why I bought this book. Again, I just want to make this short and sweet. Look how thick it is. And so, yeah, look at this. Look at this. Madness. Madness. A History of Chess by H.J.R. Murray. This is an Oxford publication. Look at that, Oxford. And so H.J.R. Murray, his dad, founded the Oxford Press. So like literally the Oxford Dictionary, that comes from by this guy's dad. And so that's what let him go all around the world to research the history of chess. And look, this is amazing. It's a first edition. It just simply is. And look at this. Look at this. Ancient ivory chessmen in the Bibliothèque Nationale in Paris. Look at the detail. And look at this inner cover. A History of Chess by H.J.R. Murray. Published in 1913. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the contents. Chapter 1, Introductory. Chapter 2, Chess in India. Then Chess in the Malay Islands. Chess in further India. Wow. Wow. It's an old chess game. Beautiful, beautiful illustration. Wow.
Go sub to the chest nerd, there we have the channel.